What's up, everyone? My name's Chris, and right here on my screen, you can see I made 110 million Korean won, which is equal to $75,000 this month. Yes, I made $75,000 in 1 month setting up AI infrastructure for businesses. As you can see, right here is my sales history from my Korean account for the month of March 2025. Because I sell this same service to businesses in South Korea, we have been able to make 57 deliveries to clients and closed a whopping 110 million Korean won, which is an equivalent of 75,000 in just 1 month. This is not another shiny object syndrome, and that's why I am not bugging you with promises that aren't going to be realistic. But if you follow the exact step-by-step guide that I will provide in this video, you will definitely have yourself to be thanked for your result. Now, before we go in, just to create a frame of reference, the average American makes between 50 to 60K annually from their 9 to 5 job. And so making this figure in a month realistically can be a huge win for anyone from any industry. And so I will be showing exactly how this system can be set up and how you can begin one for yourself today. So first, we need to understand who we set up this AI system for. Well, this AI system that I sold and made $75,000 literally in 1 month. But that said, what type of businesses want this service? Well, there's a few. Number one is home service, such as roofers, HVAC, pool builders, solar, landscaping, and other companies in that category. The other one is professional services. These are people like bookkeepers, real estate agents, mortgage brokers, accounting, law firms, etc. Finally, the last section of people is marketing agencies, consulting companies, information products, and coaches, kind of in that high ticket online business sector. You can set up for any three of these, but if you're a complete beginner, I always recommend going for home service because it is by far the easiest to set up. The high ticket online business sector is incredibly difficult to set up if you do not already run a business. Selling to these people is not a great place to start because you will fail and not make money. So we need to first understand what these businesses need to make money. You are paid in direct proportion to the value you bring. So if you don't bring value, you aren't getting paid. What do we actually give to these businesses? Why do they pay us? Well, they need to generate leads, turn those leads into sales appointments, and then turn those sales appointments into paying customers to make money. That's how service-based businesses work. Usually, they need some sort of sales appointments. They first need to get a potential customer, put that customer into a sales appointment, then turn them into paying customers and inevitably make money. As an AI agency, as someone who sets up AI infrastructure externally, not within their company, you can only help with two of those pieces of the puzzle. You can help them generate leads and turn those leads into appointments. However, when it comes to the salesperson turning that sales appointment into a closed deal and making them money, you kind of can't help with that. We can't puppet master their salespeople, but we can puppet master an AI system. So that said, we're not going to help with this third piece, but we will help solve two of the biggest pieces of the puzzle. They need all three to make money, and we're solving the two hardest parts. All they have to do after this is the least hard part. Because of this, we get paid lots. So how much do you charge? What are the profit margins? And what does fulfillment look like? Let's break it all down. You're going to set up this system for $5,000 up front. For that $5,000 up front, you give them 3 months of support included. So for the $5,000 package, they get 3 months of support. They pay $5,000 and you're there to help them for free for 3 months. Now, what are they getting for this $5,000 and how do we fulfill it? Well, as we said earlier, we're helping with turning leads into appointments and generating those leads in the first place. When it comes to generating leads, we're going to use a white label marketing agency to do all of the lead generation. Then, when it comes to turning the leads into appointments, we're going to be using an AI caller built on a platform called Synthflow AI. For those unfamiliar, Synthflow AI is a voice-based artificial intelligence platform. It enables users to build AI agents capable of making outbound phone calls that sound human-like. These AI agents can schedule appointments and serve as automated appointment setters. Let's walk through the basic structure of this business model, assuming a client is paying $5,000 for the full setup. Now, let's break down of fulfillment costs. First, you hire a white label marketing agency for $500 a month. We recommend using a trusted provider such as Stealth White Label Agency, which offers Facebook ad management. For a 3-month service package, this would cost $1,500. Then you hire an AI developer for Synthflow AI setup from, let's say, a country with cheaper labor for $300. This is a one-time development cost that covers the creation of a working AI caller system integrated with your client's lead funnel. So your total estimated cost will be $1,800, whereas your revenue was $5,000, so your gross profit will be $3,200 per sale. Awesome, isn't it? This model offers a high margin, but more importantly, it's scalable and accessible without requiring advanced technical skills. So how does the system work? Step 1, a Facebook ad generates leads. Step 2, an AI caller follows up and schedules those leads into appointments. Step 3, your client closes the deal. Let's talk about how to build those ad creatives. You can use a tool like Claude AI to generate ad scripts. For example, ask it to write a video ad for HVAC companies in a persuasive style. Next, take that script and use a platform like arcads.ai. This tool lets you create realistic video ads using AI-generated actors. Just paste the script, choose an actor, and it will generate a professional video ad in about 30 minutes. Once the ad is ready, leads will start coming in. Those leads land on a simple landing page where they provide their name, email, and phone number. If they don't book a call right away, the system triggers automatic follow-ups using email, text messages, AI phone calls using Synthflow AI. This 3-layered follow-up system increases booking rates and reduces drop-off. Once they book a call, you walk them through a simple 3-pillar offer. Pillar 1, lead generation, high-quality ads created using AI video tools. Pillar 2, AI appointment setting. AI callers follow up and schedule leads into your client's calendar. Pillar 3, ongoing support. You offer Slack or Discord support and optional Zoom check-ins. All of this is done through white label teams and freelance developers. You're the strategist, the project manager, not the technician. And remember, you're not selling hype. You're offering a logic-based solution to help businesses save time and close more deals using automation. Now here's the key. You've just learned how to build this offer, but knowing how to sell it is what truly makes the difference. If you want to learn the exact sales strategy we use to consistently close high-ticket clients, like this video, comment below, and click the link to join my AI agency mastermind. Inside the mastermind, you'll learn how to position your offer, handle objections, and confidently close sales step by step. If you're ready to take action, this is your next move. All right, thank you for your time, and I will be glad to guide you through every single step. Take care and bye.